PG Tech help, my technical channel is showing here, and this is my agenda, and this is my photograph as well, you can see.
In this video, I am going to tell you how you can create brainstorming strategical view from your Canva app. It is very useful, and if you are creating any strategy, then you can use this Canva feature, and it is very valuable to create an impact on your business strategy. So let's go to my PC and see how this feature works.
So first of all, you need to open canva.com, or you can open it in your phone as well. You can install Canva app, and after that you need to log in. It is a free plan only. So here in search bar you need to type in brainstorming, so then you will get this feature. Search for brainstorming. So it is a very useful brainstorming. I use it often. So you can see these are the brainstorming templates which you can use. So let me select this brainstorming template. This has 16 pages. You can customize this template according to your needs. So this is the brainstorming which I want. This is my first slide, and move on and add as many slides as you want. You can change this, all this stuff. This template will help you a lot, and it will be saved on your project only. You can introduction, teamwork, ice break, complete. You can keep some points here as well. You can change the photographs. You can add your own photograph here if you want. So I have my photograph here, so let me add my photo only here. So here I come. So my photo is added here. I can change the names here. So you can add the content here, and you can change the slides. You can add your team people slide here, team member slide here. You can click on icebreakers here. So it is very useful, and make sure to add or remove the slide from here. It will create a beautiful brainstorming image for you. After that you just need to click on this and click on download, and you can save it in PDF file or include notes. So suggested is PDF. You can use JPG as well, so better to be a PDF. So download this, but make sure to do all the changes according to your needs. It is now saved in my PC, so you can make the required changes according to your need. You can see my name is showing here, my PG Tech help, my technical channel is showing here, and this is my agenda, and this is my photograph as well, you can see. So you can do all the other changes from here. You can add it accordingly according to your needs. You can modify it. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it.
So I hope friends now you will be able to use this feature of Canva and make strategical views for your business and do the brainstorming with your teammates. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.